Okay, what I want to do in this video is show how to take a lead list that has phone numbers, maybe without an international code, and show how to put that together so that you can upload it to another software, maybe a text messaging software that requires the country code. So for an example here, let's say we're looking for roofers in Dallas, Texas, okay? And we'll go here. The software I'm going to use needs to go to this page. All right, and we're just going to start running these leads, okay? And I'm only going to, whoops, confirm. I'm only going to run 8 or 10 of them. This will get hundreds of leads, of course, but we only need a few for an example, and then I'll show how to convert this in Excel. Now, I'm on a Mac, so it's going to open it in numbers, but I'll copy it over to Excel to show, in Excel how to do this. Okay, so 10 is good. Let's just stop. It'll download that. Okay, so let's just open that CSV file. All right, what we want is this phone number column here, right? Okay, so you can see that there's no international number there. It's just the actual digits of the phone number. And there's a way, even if it's in the phone number format with parentheses and dashes, to strip it. But for this video, we're just going to copy. This list here, and we'll go to Excel, and I'm going to paste this in the second column here. You'll see why in a second. What we need here is we're in the United States, or these numbers are in the United States, I should say. So we need to manually put the international code there. So just put whatever that code is. In the US, it's a 1, and then just copy it down. So we have a column with the international code and a column with the phone numbers. And then what we want to do is we want to concatenate. So the formula for that, just type in a 0 and then CONC. And in Excel, it'll come up with concatenate. You can type that manually if you want, but why? And then there'll be a left parentheses. And what you need to do is shift-click there and shift-click there, and then hit a closing parentheses. Now, the colon that's in here will put everything in separate columns, which is ridiculous. That's what you have. You need to back it up and make that a comma. So it's equals, concatenate, left parentheses, cell with the international code, comma, cell with the 10 digits, end parentheses, hit enter, and you can see what we have now. Let me make this bigger just so it shows up better on the video. I can make it nice and big. Okay, so you can see now what we're actually looking at. And then what you want to do is you want to copy that cell with the formula and just drag down however many you want and paste. And there's your list. Now we can take this list that has the ones and we can move that back over to our, wherever the list is that we have these numbers that we're going to be, importing into Chirply or whatever, and just paste that list in. Of course, they're all big now. Okay. I changed the size there, but that's okay. Let's see where the size is. Well, that's okay. You get the idea. You just paste them back in there, and now we have the phone number in a format that Chirply, for example, will accept. Any questions? Just let me know.